girlies, it's your girl RJ. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, hi, how are you? If you've been here before but have not yet smashed that subscribe button, what are you waiting for? It's definitely time to do it. Also, you can click that notification bell, then you know every time I've uploaded a new video. So, dun da da da. I'm sure you read the description, so you know what you're here for. It is another Jeffree Star mystery unboxing. So if you guys watched my video from Black Friday, it was up around, I guess, December. I did one then. I've done several over the past, I think, year or year and a half that he's been doing them. I have not done every single one, and certainly there's usually at least 2, generally 3 boxes available. I usually only get 1, sometimes 2. So last time I was super impressed with the basic box I got. I don't remember what the tier names are, but there's like one that's either between like 20 and 60, then there's one that's like 80 to 100, and then one that's like over 100. It's usually something around there. It changes kind of each box. But the last one I did, I got the mini jawbreaker and I think 2 lip products, and then in the second one I did, I got the Blue Blood palette, which at first I was kind of disappointed about, but I don't really know why. I guess it just wasn't on my list of like palettes that I wanted, but it really wasn't not on my list. And honestly, once I opened it up and saw it in person, I was like, wow, this is great. I can definitely play around with it. I haven't, but I can. So I went ahead once again and decided to go for it. I went for the big box this time. This box was $145. So there's the premium mystery box contains 4 items. Deluxe mystery box contains 8, and the Supreme, which is what we got, contains 12. I would say if you love Jeffree Star's products or you want to try some out, one of his mystery boxes is a great way to do it. I think they've been hit or miss over the past year and a half that he's been doing them. Sometimes they seem really great. The biggest thing that I would like to say is, especially if you haven't watched a bunch of these videos, they kind of seem to be the same. So when he does them, so in this case, the Deluxe, Premium, and Supreme are probably going to be about the same across the board. There may be some variations of like a gloss or a lipstick, but pretty much I've noticed that the contents are always the same. So, you know, once you've watched a few, you're probably going to see the same information, just different reactions. So here's the inside of our box, and so a little sad face because I see something in blue packaging that I am 99% sure I know what it is, and I'm a little disappointed, I would say, that he put a palette in the boxes again that was just in the boxes last month, and especially something that was in the medium level box last time, not last month, but last time in the Deluxe. But let's just go ahead and get into it. So let's look at the first thing on top. So this is a tote bag, and if you don't know, I love tote bags, so I'm actually super excited to get this. So it's the convection hearts. It's got a bunch of his sayings on it. I did notice mine up here at the top. I don't know if it picks up on camera, but it's a little smeared. Not a big deal, but if I was at the store and saw this one, this isn't the one I would purchase. I'd probably flip through and get another one, but that's still super cool. And it's got the Jeffree Star logo. I don't know if this is an item that he actually sells on the website. I know there were some exclusive items, so I'm not sure. So next up, what is this? Looks like another bag. That's funny. 2 bags. Oh, okay. So I think this is another item that he launched exclusively for Valentine's season. It's like a little, what are these called? I'm really bad with purse names, but I know it's got crossbody maybe. But yeah, this is super cute. And as someone that like never has any small bags, I'm actually really excited to have this. Inside it's got one main pocket, and there's a little mesh pocket in here, and then there's another small pocket up front. It just has the Jeffree Star on the strap, and then a little Jeffree Star right here. I like the subtle things. I purchased the hoodie sweatshirt. It's the tie-dye one with just the simple logo, so I like the more simple ones, I guess. So next up is this. I think I know what this is. Which it's not something that I have if it's what I think it is, but it's the lighter shade. So let's see. It is. So this is the Brain Freeze highlighter palette. And if I remember correctly, I definitely would say these are like lighter shades. I can't remember off the top of my head. Love the packaging. It reminds me of like the icy drinks. And then inside, oh no, these are not. Some of them are, but these are definitely some good shades in here. So probably other than like that one and that one, even though I can still wear that one. So we've got Cold Shoulder, Gold Breaker, Cocky, Statuesque, Frozen Fruit, and Freeze Tag. So yeah, I like all these. These are really nice. Let's swatch one. Oh, okay, they are super soft because I just destroyed Gold Breaker with like one little, like, I didn't even think I was swiping that hard, so. But there it is. Very pretty. Yeah, so I'm excited for this. I thought this was actually something different, so yes, excited to get that one. Next up, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open it because I'm pretty sure this is what it is. I am kind of disappointed that he put this in here. So it is the Blue Blood palette. I already have this. I have some other palettes that I haven't really used, so this will probably go up. I think I'm going to start like a Poshmark or something, so I'll probably try to resell this one. Hopefully everybody's insaturated. Or I would love to trade it for the Blood Sugar, which is what I was hoping would be in this box because it's red, Valentine's Day. Maybe that was in some of them, but if anyone has that and wants to trade, let me know. Where's mine? Yeah, mine is actually still in the box. Oh, back here, because I haven't actually used it yet, but I will open, I guess it probably doesn't matter, but I think I've swatched a couple of these colors, so I will open mine. Yeah, so here it is, and I mean, the shades are gorgeous. I'm a little scared of blues, but I still want to play around with it. So yeah, but I don't need to, so. All right, so there's still more goodies in here. Let's take a look. So we got a Jeffree Star pop socket. That's actually perfect timing because I just got a new case and need a new pop socket. Either way, they're a good brand because they stick really well and last, so that's cool. Okay, so next up we have one of the velour lip scrubs. This is in Mojito. I do actually have one, or used to have one. I gifted it to my daughter when she said she needed a lip scrub, so I'm glad to have another one. Ooh, that smells good. And I'm not even a big drinker, but it still has like a really good scent. And I think these are, well, not think, they're edible, so let's give it a little taste and see what it tastes like. It's good. It's just like a sugary, you know, mojito drink, but yeah, that's cool. So I'm excited to have that. Okay, oh, got a bunch of lip products, it looks like. Okay, so we've got 3 lip products. We have, these are all, let me double check. Yes, these are all velour liquid lipsticks. This is in Below Pony. This one is Clout, and this one is Mistletoe, which is from the Christmas collection. I don't think I have any of these, but I think 2 of them are purples, which is kind of funny. Okay, now I have a purple that's Queen Supreme. This one is definitely different. This is Clout. And I think this is from the holiday collection from last year. Ooh, it's really pretty. It's like a silvery lavender. Hopefully you guys can see that. That would make a really cool like eyeliner too. I like that. Next up is Mistletoe. I have a green one, but I think it's, I don't know. It's not Mistletoe. It's from a different collection. I like that color though. I actually use the green one for one of my Halloween looks, but I've been trying to be a little bit more adventurous with lip colors when I'm just out and about. So I'm gonna try to sport it. It's a really pretty deep green. There it is right there. And then lastly, Below Pony. Okay, so I was like, these are the same, but they're not. So this one is like a lighter lavender. This one's darker. I'm not going to swatch this one because since I have this one and I think I have one other kind of purpley, I may give this one or put it on the Poshmark. I'm trying to recoup some of the money that I'm spending. So this one will probably go onto my new Poshmark. Okay, and then next we have glosses. I've never used any of his glosses before, so I'm excited to have two. First one is Ice Cold, and the second one is Soft Core Sparkle. It seems like I got a lot of purpley things. Must have been the theme of this box. Yep, this one is a purpley shade too. That's funny. But glosses are usually like lighter, so we'll swatch this one over on the other hand. So it's a real glittery, sparkly purple lavender shade. So there's that there. And then the second one, which is Ice Cold, assuming it's going to be blue. Ooh, it's not blue. It's like a white color. This is like super cool. So there's that one. And it's white, but then it's got some like pink and purple glitter in it. It actually kind of goes on a little similar to the first one, which is interesting. So the top one here is, what did I say it was? Ice Cold. Is that what I said? Yeah, Ice Cold. And then here's the bottom one, which is Soft Core Sparkle. So very similar, but I've swatched them both, so they're both mine. And then it looks like the very last thing in here is a mirror. I do own one Jeffree, well, I own two actually. I have this black one that I purchased from Beautylish, and then in one of my boxes, I think it was my Beautylish Jeffree Star Mystery box, I got the Thirsty one, which is the one that's shaped like the, kind of like a popsicle. So that one I didn't, move the box. I didn't like that one quite as much just because it wasn't his traditional, there's scissors, it wasn't his traditional shape. So maybe that will go up on this side as well. I really need to get on that. I've been saying I'm going to be doing that since before Christmas, so. Got it. I will say I watched some unboxing, and instead of the tote bag, I wish we would have got the same beanie that was in the, I didn't watch any for this one because I figured they were all the same and I didn't want to see, but I did see the cheaper one, the one that was $60, and that was a good one. And it came with a beanie. But here is our mirror. This is one of the new ones, so it says Jeffree Star approved. The mirror on it is phenomenal. Like, this is a really good mirror. I love my other one. I like that this one is round. I love this. I've been really into pinks lately, so I love this shade. So yeah, I'm super excited for that. So overall, I am really pleased with like everything I got, and had I not just received Blue Blood like 2 months ago, not even that long ago really, I would probably be more excited. I'm a little almost confused of why he would put it in this box, to be completely honest with you. I think that was kind of a weird thing, just because it was in the mid-tier last time, so for it to be in the deluxe one this time, or the highest tier, I thought was kind of, I think it's strange, but I guess that's just me. Other than that, I'm excited for all the lips, the gloss, the bags. I love the little crossbody. Is that what I said earlier? If not, I think that's what they're called, crossbodies. Bags. So yeah, overall I'm pretty pleased with everything. I am kind of kicking myself now for not going back and getting the basic one, because I started to. I checked out super quick because I was worried it was going to sell out, and then when I went back to get it, there was shipping because we were now like below a price point, and I was like, so I didn't. But that one had some good stuff in it. If you haven't watched any videos, definitely check that one out. But yeah. Final thoughts, as always, mystery boxes are just that. You can never get upset that you didn't get, or that you got something that you didn't want, or didn't get something that you did want, because that's just how it is. Well, I would have loved to got the blood sugar palette, and kind of assumed that was what was going to be in this one. I didn't, and you know, I'll be okay. I'm still going to get another one next time it comes out. I'm kind of 0 for 2 on mystery boxes this year. My Beautylish one was a little less than stellar, and this one is, I wouldn't say less than stellar. It's really just one item. Everything else I'm like over the moon about. But that's just the name of the game, and I don't ever really get like down about it. It's just, it's kind of fun. Like, you're like, oh, is it gonna be? Oh, it's not, you know, and there's like a bit of disappointment, but not anything that's like heartbreaking. So if you guys haven't tried one, I definitely recommend, if you're a fan of his products, next time one comes around, to check it out, unless you have a ton of his stuff, because then you're probably going to get a repeat, because I don't even think I have that much stuff, and I've got a couple of repeats just on like a lip or something like that, so keep that in mind. So that's it for this one. As always, I love making these videos. I hope you guys love watching, and until next time, bye bitches!